Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and here we are yet again with another video on a recap of the gold forex trading strategies for today. I am in awe with what happened today with the gold forex trading market. It's been insane, like 2 days in one, insane, and I cannot wait to show you guys what happened. Welcome back guys, it's Maya from TradeLabs, and yet again we are here to review what happened in today's gold forex trading strategies and the market itself, because it's been absolutely insane the whole day. The vast majority of today was on an uphill trend, and right now I'm looking at an amazing trend that I really want to show you guys. You would not believe the potential of the chart that I'm looking at right now. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into it, because I cannot hold this in any longer. Okay guys, so you should be able to see the chart that I'm showing on the screen right here, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, look at this beautiful uphill trend, this beautiful line that indicates the direction of the market and everything you would need in order to take decisions. And I'm smiling because this has been one of the greatest gold forex trading days in the past few weeks, hell, in the past years. Like, you would not believe the potential that's hiding behind this chart that I'm showing on screen right now. This is insane to look at. I just cannot believe, like, gold has been rallying lately. It's been choppish here and there, but overall, oh my god. Today, gold passed the price point of 2,000. It passed it and it still grew. Like, do you imagine what this means for any forex trader? And for those of you guys who have been watching the gold forex trading strategies for today, most likely you are smiling the way that I am right now too, because today was, I think, the best day of the year so far. Considering we are still in March technically, but yeah, still a long way to go until the end of the year. So let's hope gold impresses us in the future as well. Coming back to this crazy trend that we are looking on screen right now, you can see that this has been a continuous trend from, let's say, 3:30 in the morning until just around 10 o'clock. And I know these are not necessarily normal hours, however, usually you know that gold is deemed as a safe haven for investment, and therefore loads of people are investing their money in the gold forex trading market and the strategies themselves. But then lately, because of the social political events that's been happening all around the world, Russia, I'm looking at you now, this has deeply influenced the way that gold has been behaving in the past few weeks since the invasion started. So then loads of people have been paying a lot more attention to how the gold is moving and the trends of the market, in order to make some trades and have a positive day. Okay, so now I highlighted basically what happened in the beginning of the morning. So where the momentum trading indicator has started to let us know that the market trend has decided to go up. Boy, did it go up. It ran all the way to the top. The actual notification happened at just around 4 o'clock in the morning and at a price point of 2005-ish. However, wait until you hear the actual exit trade, the exit signal of this trade, because we have a lot to unpack here. This would be the actual moment where the momentum trading indicator has told you, like, look, it's time to get out of this trade now, right? And this happened at just around 10 o'clock in the morning, and boy, the price of it. Like, the actual indicator came through at just about 2055. However, the potential of this trade that we are looking at, and by potential I mean if someone was watching the gold forex trading market and the gold forex trading strategies, and he would have been able to notice what gold was doing and catch the trends, we would be looking at an insane amount of pips. But we're gonna do the math for that in just a few seconds. So if we consider just the potential of this trend, just the potential, right? The lowest point and the toppest point of this chart that I'm showing on screen here. So this would be, let's say, 265 minus what would be the lowest point, so the starting point of the trend, which would be just around 2000. In order to do the math behind this, you don't need to do any rocket science. I mean, we are talking about 65 points. And guys, by the way, points are not pips. I'll let you guys know how to exactly calculate your pips based on your points, so don't worry about it. 65 points. And in order to get your pips, all you need to do is to multiply the number of points that you have with 100, and there you go, you have your pips. We would be looking at 65 points times 100, and that would be no more, no less than 6,500 pips. That's insane. Like, in one trend, it's just making me laugh. Like, I wish I had this every day. Like, I'm at that level of thinking right now. I really wish something like this would happen every day, because imagine the possibilities of this. So I am really encouraging you right now, pause this video and go straight to Google and try to find the actual dollar amount of 6,500 pips in the gold forex trading market, because this strategy is absolutely insane. Anyway, as you can tell, what I'm showing on screen is not your usual traditional candlestick chart, and this is mainly the reason why we are even able to look at such trends and such charts. This is the momentum trading indicator, like I mentioned earlier, and this is a proprietary indicator created by us at TradeLabs in order to show you guys exactly where to enter, where to exit a trend, and what decisions to make, right? Now, this indicator is really good at predicting the direction of the market, which is exactly what you need if you're interested in the gold forex trading strategies and the XAUUSD market. So this is exactly what you need in order to be able to trade this market. And as you know, gold is not one of those easy to trade markets. It's quite delicate and a very tricky market to trade in, because you can go really high or you can go really low, like in a matter of seconds, if you're not paying attention at what your chart is doing. But anyway, this was another crazy, insane day in the gold forex trading market, and I still cannot believe what happened here. Like 6,500 pips. We are talking here a major amounts. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful and informative in terms of how I'm looking at the gold forex trading market strategies and how I am, let's say, deciding to go long or short depending on what gold actually does in that moment of time. Of course, this is one of the craziest days we had in the XAUUSD market strategies in the past few weeks at least, if not years. But I'm so here for it, and so are all the forex traders currently on the market, looking at this and smiling all the way, especially the ones that have actually profited based on this chart. Anyway, this wouldn't have been possible without the help of the momentum trading indicator, and I'm not saying that just in a cheesy way for you guys to actually buy this indicator. You actually have to see it working for yourself in order to understand how powerful this tool is. This has completely changed the way that I'm looking at the gold forex trading market and forex in general, and you need to see this as well. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.